you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Simply Earth for August. Do you want to see what recipe we will be making? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so August Simply Earth box just came and I cannot wait to see what the theme is because I completely forgot what the theme is from last month. They do tell us. And I want to see what we're going to be making this month or what they're giving us to make this month. So if you do not know about Simply Earth, it is an essential oil subscription box, but it is a recipe box. They give you 4 different essential oils and some fun little extras that you need to make some of the recipes, and you get 6 recipes every month for 6 new things to try. Most of the items are included in here or in the bonus box that you do get. There are very few things that you do need to purchase yourself if you want to make them, and they'll have a little asterisk next to the name of that product. So let's see, they do free shipping for the US, and if you use my code SheCraftyFree, you are not only going to get a $40 gift card to use for a future purchase, which is more than the box itself, but you're also going to get the big bonus box for free as well. They did send me the bonus box on my very first box. This is several months ago, and inside it comes with some really cool things in there. There's roller balls, there's little jars, there's like, I think there's like coconut and some other type of thing in there. There's beeswax, I believe, in there. It's just a whole box of goodies, and it helps you create the recipes that they have you do every month. So Simply Earth, the recipe box is $150 value, and it's only $39 a month. And again, it is free shipping. And let's see what we're going to be doing this month. Now they have been, since last month and this month, they have been putting a person's little face here that hand packed my box, and she did my box last month as well. And this is Cheryl, aka Who Dat. And this face is just hilarious. Like, ah! Like, she seems like a whole lot of fun. So let's go ahead and cut little Cheryl Who Dat's face and get this open, or actually it went right on her, yeah, right under her head. Sorry, Cheryl. Let's go ahead and get this opened. Okay, so I'm like, what is this, cement? It says compressed mask. I don't know. That's on the extra side. So when they give you your box, you have your 4 oils over here, and then any of your extra goodies are always on this side, which we have that mint looking thing, and we have lavender right there. Okay, so the oils that we're getting this month is going to be frankincense, clear skin, clove, and rosemary. So those are the 4 different oils that we are going to be getting. And let's go ahead and see what we are going to be making. So let me find, there is one card in here that goes over this month's theme. Here we go. And next month. Okay, so about this month's box. This month's box is designed to create clear, glowing, and beautiful skin. I recommend using all 6 steps only once a week, but feel free to use the toner or cream daily and the acne roll as needed. To learn how to customize these recipes for your skin, watch videos and read the whys behind the recipes in this month's box. To be sure to check out our blog. If you have sensitive or damaged skin, you may want to skip the clove essential oil in the face cream recipe, as it can be irritating. Good tip. However, the recipe is highly diluted and unlikely to cause any skin irritation. All of the other oils in the box are non-irritating. Take some before and after pictures on starting this routine. I can't wait to see the results. Okay, so next month's theme, if you want a little sneak peek at next month we are making soap. We'll even have a facial soap that will flow perfectly with the skincare routine for this month's box. The soap base we'll be using is clear, so be sure to dry some flowers and leaves from your garden to add some natural beauty to your natural soap. So that's cool. We're gonna be making soap next month. So there is next month's card right there. Okay, so now they also donate part of their proceeds, and I believe it's also on the box as well, like 13%, I think it is. Yes, it's right here on the box, 13%. They always donate 13% to human trafficking. And this month it looks like Making a Difference with Grounds of Grace. Grounds of Grace is located in Springfield, Illinois, but assists victims of human trafficking throughout the United States. So that's who they are helping this month, which that is an amazing cause. And I do love that they do give back. I love companies that not only do amazing products and have an amazing box, but they also give back to others to help amazing causes. So human trafficking, definitely need to help end that. Okay, so the recipes that are going to be in this month's box, again, you get 6 recipes every month. So the recipes that are coming in this month's box, the first thing is a feel good morning diffuser, and that you are going to be using 3 out of these 4 essential oils to put in a diffuser if you have one. And they also give you instructions if you want to do a whole vial of it, because they give you those in the bonus box. So then you can just make a whole vial and use it as you want, or you can just do a one-time tryout, that kind of thing. So they do give you the instructions on how to do that. And I do like that they'll give you it like a one time versus if you want to just make a whole little vial of it so you have it on hand. So then next we have is going to be step 1. So apparently it looks like they've stepped you out. They created all the different steps for the skincare routine. So step 1 would be a frankincense face scrub. And in here, the things that you would need to purchase if you wanted to make this would be the oatmeal, brown sugar, and honey. But then the other that you use is the almond oil, which is in the bonus box. That's the other one that's in there. And 2 drops of the frankincense essential oil. So if you want to make this recipe, then you will need to purchase some items. And then there is the instructions on the face scrub. And there's the continued instructions on it. Okay, so step 2 is going to be a rosemary facial steam. And in here, the only thing that you need is a towel, which we should all have a towel, and hot water. So you don't actually have to purchase anything, but you do need to gather some other items from your household to make this one. And then you'll be using 1 drop of the rosemary essential oil in it. So there is that guy right there. Okay, so step 3 will be skin renewing face mask. So in this one, you would need to purchase aloe vera gel, distilled water, and then a reusable sheet mask compressed. So this says compressed mask, but I don't know how it's reusable. Maybe once you put water in it, it blows up. I'm not sure. So yeah, you put this in a separate bowl, pour water over the sheet mask to decompress. As the mask hydrates, it will expand. Unfold the mask and soak it in the aloe vera and the essential oil mixture. Okay, so that's what this guy is right here. That's a face mask. Apparently it's reusable. So here is the instructions for the renewing face mask. Continued instructions. Okay, so step 4 in your routine is going to be a hydrosol facial toner. In this one, you need distilled water, you need apple cider vinegar, which is optional, and then a 2-ounce container, which is in the bonus box, and the lavender. This right here is what you'll use. And there is that. And then step 5 is a moisturizing face cream. And this one you would need to purchase aloe vera gel, distilled water, a jar or a sealable container, and you would need to use a blender or a similar machine to, I guess, blend everything up. And then you would use this lavender. You would use beeswax, that's from the bonus box, almond oil, and coconut, which is both in the bonus box as well. You'll use the frankincense, the clove, and then your blender or in your jar. So between this and the bonus box, pretty much everything is in here except the few little things that you would need to purchase. So there's that. And then they do continue the instructions on the back. And the last and 6th recipe in here, you guys, would be step 6, clear skin roll-on. And on here you will use the almond oil, which again is in the bonus box, and a roller ball, which is in the bonus box. And you will use the essential oil clear skin blend. So that one's a quick and easy little thing right there. And then they do give you a card that goes over all of the different essential oils that you have for this month. And it says that the clove essential oil, people love the smell of this oil. It's warm, spicy, and smells like spice. We get this oil from the bud of the plant as it is less skin irritating than the oil that comes from the stem or leaves. This oil is great for boosting immunity, aiding digestion, and has a killer antibacterial and antifungal property. The rosemary, this oil helps balance your skin's natural oils. Add a drop to your shampoo the next time you use it to help balance the oils in your hair. Never knew that. Its aroma also increases alertness, perfect for the morning shower. Make sure to check out our blog and our post on this oil for more properties and usage. There are so many. Frankincense, let's be frank here. This oil is amazing. Immunity support, skin healing, tension, and joint pain relieving, respiratory support, and this is just the beginning of its usage. Your face is going to love this oil. And it's crazy how one oil can do so many different things. That's why I love this box, because you get to try out new oils, you get to play with them, you get to see what they do, and then you get 6 different recipes to try out, and it's always a different theme every month. And the clear skin is made up of tea tree, sandalwood, cedarwood, juniper berry, and lemon essential oils. This blend is formulated to work hard against acne and blemishes. Those zits don't stand a chance. That actually sounds interesting because I do break out when it's my time of the month and I hate pimples. So I am always game to try anything to help with acne. So that is everything, you guys, that is in this month's box. Again, you can follow the link down below and you can use Crafty free. That'll get you a $40 store credit for a future purchase and the big bonus box for free as well. So if you have any questions, comment down below. Your positive interaction with me means the world. Do you get this box? Are you interested in this box? Have you seen this box? Let me know. Again, I really do like that they give you the 6 different recipes. They're clear as day on how to make them. I've even had our niece over to help with them. They even had a kids month and I had her make all of them all on her own. So it's very kid friendly. You can get your kids involved to make different things and have them more aware of being cleaner, healthier, and it's just essential oils or no chemicals or anything like that. So thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video, you guys. That is everything for this month's box. I normally do put them together and kind of show you how they're put together, but they are so simple and so easy, and I honestly do not have time to do it, but I wanted to get this box up to show you guys the theme and show you what we will be making. I will make these eventually, just I don't have time to do them right now, so I do apologize. But the acne roller baller upper, that definitely is the first thing that I am going to make, because again, I can get my handy dandy bonus box out and make that one. And then I am curious on the diffuser. There are a few essential oils that is not good. good to put around pets, so always check with that before you use anything around them, because our fur babies cannot talk and tell us if they're not feeling good. Keep an eye out on the different ones you're not supposed to use. There's so many information on Google that you can find out what is not good to use around pets. They did have a pet themed box, which I really did enjoy because everything in there is pet friendly. So that was really neat to make different things that can be used for my fur baby. And I really like the little, it looks like a chapstick thing that you make for their paws. I do put that on her feet quite often. She tries to lick it off. So again, they have different themes every month. I like to be able to learn new things when it comes to essential oils. So I do appreciate this box because of that aspect of it. So again, if you want, follow that link, check them out, use my code to get those free goodies, and yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. Until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.